this bread or this bread? Homemade coconut keto bread or this manufactured processed sliced bread that you get in the supermarket? Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is yet another keto recipe and I'm going to show you how to make keto coconut homemade bread. Low carb, gluten-free, no sugar. That's the way to keep yourself in ketosis. Or if you're not following a keto or paleo diet, then this alternative will keep your insulin low, will keep the pounds or the kilos off your waistline. You'll feel nourished, you'll feel full and satiated, and you will reap the benefits for not gaining weight. So without any further ado, let's get started and I'll show you how to make this very easy keto bread recipe. See, it wasn't that hard to make and very easy recipe, very quick to make, and it's a bread that you can store for at least a week in the refrigerator or for up to 6 months in your freezer. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and make sure you click on that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Bye for now.